You'll need to install Nora Dryfix 750 tape before dry fitting the flooring materials. Carefully vacuum the installation area to remove all loose debris and back trowel the substrate to ensure all debris is completely removed. Then unroll the Nora Dryfix 750 tape into position. Overlap all seams by at least 1/2 inch and lightly press into place using a steel trowel, stiff bristle broom, or something similar. Wait a minimum of 15 minutes before cutting seams. This allows time for the tape to return to its original size if it's stretched during the installation process. Double cut all seams without damaging the substrate. Then, pull away the excess Nora Dryfix 750 and wax paper, adding tension to the wax paper so it doesn't fold over on itself. If you allow the wax paper to fold over, it will break, making removing the waste material difficult. Remove and replace any section of Nora Dryfix 750 with trash or debris trapped underneath. You can also trace cut Nora Dryfix 750 on substrates where the tape bonds aggressively. If you use this method, you'll also overlap all seams by at least 1/2 inch and lightly press into place. Then align a straight edge against the edge of the bottom sheet of Dryfix 750. Use a sharp straight blade utility knife to cut the overlapping edge off, following the straight edge. When chalk lines are required, place chalk lines on the wax paper surface to avoid contaminating the tape. Do not use chalk directly on the Dryfix 750 surface. After you've cut the Dryfix 750 seams, dry lay the flooring as detailed in the tile and sheet installation sections of the installation guide. Lift half the area and vacuum the back of the flooring along with the surface of the wax paper. Next, remove the protective wax paper, folding or rolling it as you go for ease of disposal. Leave approximately 4 inches and fold the wax paper under the flooring to prevent debris from falling on the exposed Dryfix 750. Replace the flooring onto the exposed tape. It's still possible to reposition the flooring, so do not stand on it until you are sure of correct positioning. Use a 100 to 150 3-section roller to remove any air bubbles and ensure a good bond.